My name is Petra Spasojević. I'm 16 years old. I'm born in Kuršumlija, a small town in southern Serbia. I moved to Novi Sad because Novi Sad is one of the cities in Serbia where you can get the best possible conditions for education. I'm a student of the second grade of the music high school Isidor Bajić. This year, my school has been moved to a new building that was built according to the most modern European and world standards. Piano is my greatest love. As I touch the black and white keys on the piano, I create my own world. I'm blind, but that doesn't stop me from doing what I love, playing the piano and composing. Since the pandemic started, I miss my performances. While there were no performances, I used the time to create. I wrote my 2 new compositions, Aria for clarinet and piano, and the Fantasy No. 7 for 4 hands. There was an advertisement in Radio Television of Serbia for a competition in classical music, Virtuozos V4+, we play in a common language. My professor, Anna Ferlin, supported my wish to apply. The audition was organized in Belgrade.
Bravo Petra, hvala, želimo ti sve najlepše i nadamo se da te vidimo u finalu u Mađarskoj.
As the audition, I was chosen to represent our country in Hungary in Budapest with 3 other young artists.
So soon a fantastic 15-year-old young lady is going to sit at the piano. She has a different conception of the world around us because she would not be able to read any notes. But as we will see, she can feel the music.
My dream came true to perform on a big stage in another country.
On stage, Petra Spasojević from Serbia.
The competition I finished in semi-final. I didn't win, but I won 2 big prizes, an audience and a special award.
But Peter, you understood, or did you understand what she did?
Yes, it's very technically demanding piece, and you managed brilliantly to have these chromatic scales. Even within the chromatic scales you managed to do dynamics, which is extremely difficult. So I congratulate you for that, and I'm very happy that you could play here, and I wish you all the best, and congratulations once more.
the dynamic within the chromatic. That's exactly what I'm missing. Gabriel.
I want to say also that I thought her performance was impeccable. I mean, it almost made me think of a wind-up of one of these incredible musical boxes, you know, that is humanly impossible. You know, this is the kind of precision she had, which was remarkable. So thank you very much.
Now it's Nemanja.
Dear Petra, it was wonderful. Thank you for these beautiful moments.
After the competition, the famous Serbian violinist Nemanja Radulović, who was on the jury, invited me to be a guest at his concert at Kolarac in Belgrade. I couldn't believe it was happening to me. The concert was held in September 30th, 2020. The Virtuozos competition was broadcast in 5 countries on national televisions and shared on social networks. My performance was very noticeable and was seen by a very large number of people. That is how Milena Injac, the conductor, saw the performance. She invited me to play as a soloist with the Niš Symphony Orchestra in Niš on May 13, 2021. I gladly accepted the invitation. I was preparing for the concert with great excitement and huge responsibility. My professor and I paid great attention for every detail of Mozart's concerto for piano and orchestra number 12 in A major, K414. Professor Lidija Stanković gave us great support. When the concert finished, emotions overwhelmed me. I cried out of happiness. After the concert in Niš, many competitions followed. I participated in the International Piano Competition of young pianists Mihailo Vukdragović-Šabac, in the Republic Competition in Belgrade, in the International Competition of Pianists Zemun, and won first prizes everywhere. Also, I participated in the online competitions. Frederic Chopin in Romania, where I won the second prize, and the competition Sergei Rachmaninov in Bosnia and Herzegovina, where I won the first prize. I had a few more performances during the summer, and I sincerely hope that the situation of the pandemic will get better. My next performance is in Hungary, in Pech, in Kodali Hall on October 8, 2021. An invitation I received to perform with Virtuozos ensemble because I participated in Virtuozos competition. My plan is to work on a new program, to continue recording my compositions and to improve. I would like to have the opportunity to play with the orchestra again, but in our country and abroad, as well as to participate in some big world competitions. This moment I am preparing and looking forward to the Isidor Vajić Memorial, which will be held in Novi Sad on December 4th. I don't give up on my dreams.